This is the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and this is the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. Do you see much of a difference? Well, that's not our question, that's your question. After the launch of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, people are in search of the answer. What are the key upgrades? To answer them, yes, there are some changes that might draw a line between them. But is it worth switching from the S9 Ultra to the newly released S10 Ultra? While the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra looks quite similar to the Tab S9 Ultra, there are a few minor updates in the latest top-tier tablet. One of the small tweaks is the slightly thinner profile, now measuring 5.4 millimeters compared to the previous 5.5 millimeter and a lighter weight of 723 grams. The frame is now made with stronger armor aluminum, which enhances durability by boosting resistance to scratches and dents by 10%. The S10 Ultra also introduces new color options, Moonstone Gray and Platinum Silver, as well as replacing the Tab S9 Ultra's beige and graphite. Aside from these changes, the S10 Ultra maintains the familiar design elements, including S Pen compatibility with magnetic attachment on the back, the same expansive 14.6-inch display, and compatibility with existing keyboard accessories. Gorilla Glass protection and IP68 dust and water resistance also remain consistent between the two. On the connectivity side, the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra supports the newer Wi-Fi 7 standard and Bluetooth 5.3 for enhanced speed. You can also choose a 5G-enabled version, though that will be at an extra cost. Overall, in terms of design, it's hard to separate them. The defining characteristic of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra and the older Tab S9 Ultra is their large, vivid displays. Both models feature a 14.6-inch Super AMOLED 2X screen, filled with pixels and among the largest on the market. This makes them perfect for streaming Netflix on a big screen or for multitasking, especially when paired with the optional keyboard that gives them laptop-like functionality. But in terms of portability, there is a question mark. Because who loves to have a laptop-sized display in tablet form? While the two tablets look nearly identical, there are subtle upgrades in the S10 Ultra. Notably, it comes with an anti-reflective coating similar to what's found on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which cuts down on reflections to less than 2% compared to the Tab S9's 4.5%. The S10 Ultra also incorporates Samsung's Vision Booster technology, optimizing brightness, contrast, and color tones based on surrounding light, which makes it ideal for outdoor use. Other than these enhancements, both screens offer a similar 120 Hz refresh rate and 1848 by 2960 resolution to ensure a smooth and crisp viewing experience. The biggest shift between the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra and the older Tab S9 Ultra lies in chipset. The Tab S9 Ultra utilized a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy chipset, but the new Tab S10 Ultra has switched to MediaTek's powerful Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset. Samsung claims that this upgrade results in an 18% increase in CPU performance, 27% in GPU power, and 14% in NPU capability over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy. It remains to be seen how this will hold up against the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for the Galaxy in benchmarks. The difference in performance during everyday tasks may only become apparent when pushing the tablet with demanding apps or games. Aside from the chipset change, the two models maintain the same configurations, from 256 GB to 1 TB of storage and 12 to 16 GB of RAM with up to 1.5 TB of additional space via microSD. Both tablets come with large 11,200 mAh batteries to accommodate their extra-large screens. The Tab S10 Ultra's more efficient Dimensity chipset might allow it to hold a charge longer than the Snapdragon-powered version, though only a full benchmark will reveal the difference. That said, with 45-watt charging support, the time to recharge should be comparable, approximately 143 minutes, as seen with the Tab S9 Ultra. AI has become the buzzword in the mobile and tablet world in 2024, and it's no shock that both the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra and Tab S9 Ultra come with Samsung's expansive Galaxy AI integration in some capacity. However, The specific Galaxy AI features on each tablet differ due to the enhanced NPU in the latest Snapdragon and Dimensity chipsets. While both devices support AI-driven tools like object removal in images, writing assistance, and summarization tech, exclusive features like Portrait Studio and Sketch-to-Image are only available on the Tab S10 Ultra. The S10 Ultra also introduces new AI-centric features specifically designed for tablets, such as an overhauled Notes app with auto-formatting, audio recording and transcription, and even math equation assistance, expected to launch with a software update in November. The S Pen further enhances these features by offering compatibility with Sketch-to-Image, Smart Select, and Air Command, while also integrating seamlessly with Circle to Search. All is well when the price is well. As a premium offering, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra starts at $1199 for the 256GB of storage and 12GB RAM model, with the top-tier 1TB storage and 16GB of version priced at $1,549. For 5G support, an extra $150 is required. Pre-orders are available now, with the tablet officially launching on October 4, 2024. The S9 Ultra is also priced the same, $1199. And this same pricing made the decision even more tricky. Should you get the latest S10 Ultra? Let's split facts. The major change in both tablets is the chipset, and we still don't have any clear performance demographics for the MediaTek Dimensity chip. So if you don't have any prior Galaxy Tab experience and are thinking of getting a new one, you might try the S10 Ultra. But if you already own a S9 Ultra, there is no point to switching. S9 Ultra is still the best Samsung tablet. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.